You're going to come to ClickBank. If you haven't registered, if you don't have an account, make an account with ClickBank and then come to this page. Once you come to this page, come to a dashboard and you can hit Marketplace and it will bring you to this page. Once you come to this page, click on this all, and for this training purposes we are going to choose something from the health and fitness. Now once you click health and fitness, what I want you to do is click on the gravity and then click on gravity high and low. So once you've done this, you'll get all the best conversions or the best products to promote. Now some of them are gonna be digital, some of them are gonna be physical. Some of them are going to be physical products. So have a look through, scroll through and see which one you like. So for example, this one pays out 142.46. This one has it's a physical product. It has an upsell flow, so there's a funnel there. CPA, cost per action, affiliate tools. They have their affiliate tools. It's a one-time payment, is reoccurring as well, so if they can become a member, but the rebel is 0.07, so this it's not even worth it. So if you want to check out the page, just click on this and it will take you to their official sales page. So this is basically the sales page. So if you like something, if you like what they are saying, you can promote this by let me just get out of this. Promote this by just clicking on promote, and that's it. So what we need to do is just find a product. So let's see if we can find a product that we are happy. Java burn, going strong, killer money online. Go here for more details. Killer conversions, fluctuate, and you can check more as well. So we're not going to spend more time here. For training purposes, let's say we want to go for this. It pays out 24.28. So if we calculate this, say for example, if we calculate this, we just need to sell, say 24, say make this 25. Let's make this 25 times that by, say, 10 sales that we want to make. We just make 250. If we make 20 sales, we make $500, right? $500, that's a lot of money. Okay, that's a lot of money if you can sell. So let's choose this. So I want to promote, let's check the affiliate page because we may need some of the text. So welcome affiliates, promote the smoothie diet and 75% commission. Wow, this is really good. Okay, so we got this. We have the information here. You just have to get the affiliate tools. You can do that. They will sort you out. So I want to see the actual sales page. Let's get out of this. This is the sales page. Okay, now got all the information, what makes the smoothie diet different, everything you get. You can use this later on. So what we want to do is find a text: delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy and health. We can copy this, right, and we want to use it because the next thing that we want to do is go to Canva. Now if you haven't got an account, make sure you make an account. Now we want to go to Canva. We want to click on the search tab and search for Pinterest. Okay, now we got Pinterest pin. Once we see this, just click on the Pinterest pin and you could see hundreds of designs that have come up, and you can use these designs. Now let's look at a design and find something that is good, or you can, if you want to, you can start from scratch. Okay, now what we're going to do is find something smoothie related. Let's see if we can find something that is okay. This one looks good. 10, okay, we can use that. We can say smoothie. We can get away with this. I like this one, so I'm going to keep that in mind. Let's see if we can find anything else. Healthy option, that's quite clean, and that, because remember Pinterest is for ladies, right? Ladies mainly use this. The dominant audience on Pinterest is women, female. Okay, so I'm going to click this. I kind of like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this. Okay, so we're going to use this. Click on it. Here we go. Come on, let's go. We've got the design. Now mind you, on your left hand side, if you change your mind, you don't like it, here you go. There's ample of design. There's hundreds of design that you can use. Something that you like, you can scroll back, and if you want to change it, you just have to drag. All you have to do is drag it here, and voila, it should work. But if you don't like it, undo it, and that's it. Okay, now let's change this. Remember the text that we copied? What we're going to do is we're going to highlight this and we're going to press Control V on Mac, and that's it. It looks so big. Now, wow, don't worry, I got you. All you have to do is just decrease the size of the font, and you should have something like this. But we're going to break the text. Delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss. We're going to, let's see if we can space this up a little bit so it's not congested. So line spaces, we just make it a little bit bigger. Letter spacing, that's it. That looks, I think that looks okay. Does that look nice? No. Let's change this a little bit. Let's see if we can decrease this. Okay, let's see if that looks nice. How does that look? Okay, incredible. Guide to healthy living. Let's see if we can get anything else smoothie from there. Let's see, for real people, real results. Okay, 21 days to a slimmer, sexier you. I like that. The smoothie diet. Okay, let's go back to Pinterest, Canva, and just write the tagline here. 21 days. Simple as that. Okay, I don't want to make it fancy. I don't want it to be too fancy so people just look at it and don't like it, right? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to tidy it up a little bit. Now we got this, right? It's done. What we're going to do is we want to promote this, right? So we said which one? Smoothie diet. So I'm going to go into this. I'm going to promote this. I've got my hop link, create my hop link. I'm going to copy this hop link here, copy it here. Let's see, get out of here. I'm going to go to a website called Bitly. This is a basically URL shortener. Just scroll down a little bit and paste this in. Shorten it, copy this, come back to your Pinterest. Okay, now what you want to do is, you've done that, you're happy with your design. Now if you want to change it, you can change it. Now what you want to do is you want to click on share, and then not copy link, you want to download this. Now this is a pin that you've downloaded. Once downloaded, what you want to do now is you want to go back to Pinterest. You want to click on create a pin. Now click on this. I know where my stuff is, so it's download and upload the pin. What you want to do is you want a catchy headline. So I'm going to use 21 days. Now what I'm going to do is add a destination link. Remember, I copied from Bitly here. We shortened it. What we want to do now is on Pinterest, we want to paste that in. It's simple as that. Okay. Once you're happy, I'm going to put it on my affiliate board. That's it. Now you can write text there or add alt text. You don't have to do that at the moment. And you can add more if you want more pictures there, but I don't want to add more pictures. I'm happy with this. I'm going to publish it now. Publish. Okay, now you've created it. You've done. We published it. Click on it. It's very nice. See? Okay, now what you do, the next step is to go to TikTok, find health related, say smoothies. Yeah, let's click on smoothies, right? Let's click on, let's see, accounts, smoothie this summer. Okay, this one's got 3,972 followers, 51 like, but 8,000. Look at that. Create videos like this, create videos like so, about 20 videos, and just upload it. And let me just go into their bio account. No bio, so you can't see anything here. So I'm already in their account. Let's try this. Okay, I love smoothies. What you want to do, see videos like that, 12.12k, 24k, you can start making them, showcase some of them. Then look, 21.1 million likes. Imagine getting half of that people coming to and buying this. Unbelievable. Okay, let's look at another one. Go back a little bit. Okay, this one, smoothiest. Okay, now what I wanted to show, you see that bio here. If you have your own account, you go and paste this link that you shorten. That link will take them directly to the sales page, and if they buy it, ka-ching, 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 boom, they buy it. Now bonus, they get all this. Okay, I don't want to get into this. So back to our TikTok thingy, you can see this person has 4 million likes. So you can replicate these videos, or find some videos, royalty free videos, making us smoothies and stuff, and just paste it, and you can do it something like this. So it's catchy, something like that. Then just go through some accounts and see how they are, what they're doing, and how they are doing it. See if this will take you to their page. I'm sure this is going to be an affiliate page or something. If I click on it, let me see if it's an affiliate page. Yeah, it's an affiliate page. Look, or they're selling this is what they're selling. Now I don't want this. I'll show you another one. Let's see if let's check the other ones out. This one didn't have one. Okay, this one I think, yeah, okay, Smoothie Shop. Let's see what some of them will be affiliates, I'm telling you. Okay, this one's gone, so I want to use something that is not there. Try another account. Tropical Smoothies. Okay, let's click on this. Hopefully this time. Okay, this one's got a Linktree style. So these are all affiliate, by the way. Maybe, yeah. Coconut balls I use. So these are, I bet you this is going to take me to Amazon or something, or a shop, or an e-com shop, or some shop. So they're basically affiliate. They get, let's see if we go down there, go all the way down to the bottom, see if they got, yeah, affiliate. They're definitely, I knew they were affiliate. This is how you do it. So you don't owe them product or anything. You just send them. Your job is to send them there. No website, nothing at all. Can you see? All they're doing is showcasing the product they're doing. And once people click on this, 4 million people liked here, 146.6k. People following this person, right? Now imagine half of this, even a small number of 10 people go there. That's what, how much are they selling it for? They're selling it for 349. 10 people, that's 3,449 easily, right? Easily. You just made, if 10 people just buy from there, imagine the potential that is out there for you to do. Go and do your research and find out, and if you like something, boom, just go for it. Hope this has been helpful. If it has, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.